Come test drive 2004 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, keyless entry. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.